Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are here to share with you guys how we prepare our boat for the summer. And before we do that, I just wanna show you guys where we have our boat and also other boats that are also here. So there are so many boats that are around this area here, and some are actually nice, some are okay, and I am not against anyone's boat because what might be nicer to me might not be nicer to someone else. So everyone has their own taste of whatever they like, and I'm just out here filming for you guys, and I'm very happy that summer is here. So that is him there working to get his boat ready for the summer, because we have a lot of activities that we have planned to do during the summer, so he has to get his boat ready. What are you doing?
This is an electric motor for the boat.
Okay, what does it do?
It helps the boat use the sails.
Okay, when you are not using the sails.
Yeah, you can use it to go in and out of the harbor.
Okay,
So you can start this petrol engine
okay,
all the time.
okay,
It's electric motor.
okay. So that means it also saves money.
Solar panels, so you don't use anything. Pay for electricity.
Okay, so the solar panels are going to generate electricity to this equipment here. Okay, so here is our boat, and he has been doing a nice, amazing job here. Like, okay guys, if you remember the last time I was showing you guys how the boat was looking like, but now he has done a lot of work with this boat here. So here is our boat, and he has been doing a nice, amazing job here, and he said he needs my help.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna help him. So as you guys can see, we have been hanging this machine there, and he's trying to mark the place that he will screw down the machine into the boat, onto the boat, whatever. Are you gonna hang the fan to there?
For now, I just want to see that the position is okay where it is.
He has been working so much with this boat here, and sometimes I feel so much for him with the kind of effort and work he's putting into his boat. But seeing the boat today, I am really happy with everything that he has been doing, yeah, the next stage is going to be cleaning the boat a little bit, so it could look more nicer. That's what we're gonna be doing. Actually, I'm not a boat fan, but he loves boats a lot, so I have to support him in everything that he's doing. We have some solar panels up there that would give us electricity, and we have the main motor that uses fuel, and now he's trying to put up this machine here that would help us to use the boat whenever we are not using the motor. We can use this machine here, and I'm happy because it's gonna cost down fuel, and yeah, so he's really working very hard. How is it going? That's good. I'm gonna show you guys how the rest of the boat looks like. So this place is where we have the boats when it's the winter time. Everyone removes their boats from the water to keep it on the land. So as I showed you in the video, everyone has, not everyone necessarily, but they have a lot of places that you can keep your boat during the winter. And you could see how our boat looks like. This is the view of our boat. It's Maxi 68 and it was made in 1977. It's actually older than my husband and I, but it's an amazing boat. I really love everything about it. The owner of this boat took very good care of it. We are not the first owners of this boat, so those that used to have this boat did a very good work to this boat here, and we are continuing taking care of this boat till we leave it to someone else. But for now it's ours and we need to take very good care of it. I am going a little bit closer to where my husband is so he can tell us what he's doing at this moment. So honey, what are you doing now?
Do support for the engine here.
We're making a support, okay.
The exact profile of this rudder.
Okay.
This
Okay.
This is the shape I'm going to cut.
Okay. He was using this tool here, I don't know the name of it, to make a shape of how he's going to attach this, how do you say, motor on the boat. So what we are going to do now is we are going to take this thing here home so that he can cut it when we are home, because he don't have the machine that he uses to cut things. Now it's all about marking places where he's gonna put holes there, and everything he's doing there, it's only him that he understands, and I know that he's doing the right thing there because I have no idea about boats, as I said. But I can't wait to cruise with him during this summer. We had this boat last summer, but I was working a lot, so I couldn't even had time with him. He was going out by himself and I was feeling so sad for him. But this summer I'm gonna be home, so I would have time to go out with him, sleep in the boat and have a nice time together, because I want him to be happy. That is what makes him happy, so I help him to be happy with what makes him happy. So yeah,
It's changing very easy.
okay.
Use the motor. Take it up with motor like this.
Okay, so as you guys can see, if you are not using the motor, you can take it up as the way he is moving it up. Wow, that's interesting. So if you want to use it, you bring it down. Okay.
It was very good that I did this, because now I can see
Okay. So
something here that I didn't think about it before.
okay, so I don't know if you guys heard what he said, marking those places and trying to keep the motor steady. He could find a mistake that he's very happy that he didn't screw down the motor into the boat. So now he can correct his mistake, and that is very, very good, because the moment you screw something into the boat, you cannot do anything about it. So now he's going to fix it. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys here for today, and then we will come back again and show you guys the next stage on what we're gonna be doing with this boat here. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on our next video that will be coming very soon. And yeah,